Welcome to JBR Beach, at the Walk, Dubai. A stunning beachfront destination where relaxation meets excitement. With its golden sand and crystal clear waters, JBR Beach is the perfect spot to soak up the sun, swim, or enjoy a variety of water sports. Explore the vibrant dining scene with a wide selection of beachside restaurants and cafes, offering delicious cuisines from around the world. Indulge in some retail therapy as stylish boutiques and shops, all just steps away from the beach. JBR Beach is family-friendly, featuring designated play areas for children and convenient amenities like showers and sun loungers. Join in on a beachside yoga session, rent paddleboards, or take a thrilling ride on a jet ski. As the sun sets, the walk comes alive with street performances, art installations, and lively events, creating an unforgettable experience. Discover the perfect blend of leisure and entertainment at JBR Beach, the Walk, where every visit promises something special. Plan your visit to JBR Beach today and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Dubai's premier beachfront destination.